Hey everyone, welcome back to Code Scholastic with another video. In this video, we are going to learn how we can convert text to table. Why do we need to convert a text to table? Because it's very hectic to insert values in a table. We can simply write the text and separate them with comma, with space, with any specific mark that you want. So let's get started. Firstly, you need text. I have written all the records that I want in my table. Select these records, go to the insert, go to table, click on that and see there is an option convert text to table. Click on that. Now it will ask you number of the column. 5 columns. To separate text at other. In other, I want space. Okay, so now you can see number of rows are automatically changed from 1 to 5. Click on OK. See, now you got your table just from the text in a simple grid. We can also separate them with comma. You can separate them with any mark that you want, any symbol that you want. Just click on that, go back to insert, table and convert text to table. What happened here is auto calculated the number of rows. Also, it separated them with commas. It automatically selected that the values are separated with commas. Click on OK and I got my table. You can click on your table, you can change the style, you can change its layout, you can do whatever you want to. I hope the video was informative, and if so, don't forget to subscribe. I'll be posting new tricks and tips on and off, so stay connected. Take care.